Hi there. So, if you know me, you know that I have had a bunch of paranormal experiences in my life that I love talking about. And today I decided to make it all public by yapping on YouTube. So, if you are interested in anything that is paranormal, that's dark, that consists of ghosts and bhoot and chudail, then please keep on watching. Yeah. So this first story goes back to 2021, 2022. Um, I had I had moved to Banswara, Rajasthan for my job, and now I'm not from Rajasthan, I'm not from Banswara, but I had migrated there for work purposes. और वहाँ पे I met ये तीन amazing girls, my colleagues, जो कि अब they have become lifelong friends. So I met these girls, they were also joining with me, we all met and we decided to basically rent out a place together. Because Banswara अब देखो, Banswara is a very small place, so getting flats, getting accommodation for girls is very difficult. बहुत difficult है for any single girl, single working person, and who has come from a city, because people don't trust anyway. So basically getting a place was difficult, and we all decided to get a place together. And after बहुत ज़्यादा सर्च के बाद, just give me a pause. तो बहुत ज़्यादा सर्च के बाद we found this beautiful 3 BHK flat. Okay, everything was just so good about it. It was huge, it was spacious, every room had an attached bathroom, there was a beautiful balcony that opened to the mountains, there was this river, a little river stream flowing by. You could see Aravali's from my room, so it was just so beautiful. And the cherry on top was that it was so affordable, it was just so sasta. So I mean, it was only 8,000 rupees. Now that is very sasta even according to Banswara standards. So we were just very excitedly, we just took the offer and we shifted. Okay, everything was good for I think 1 week. एक week तक सब कुछ अच्छा था. The first incident that I remember that happened was कि one fine day after work I was talking to my mother, and I'll just tell you the layout of the apartment. तो ये apartment है, and they're like apartments is a gallery, जैसे typical होता है घरों में, buildings में. Apartments, बीच में corridor है, and then there's a lift और lift corridor, and then there's a सीढ़ी जो कि नीचे जाती है ऊपर जाती है, ऐसे सीढ़ी, लिफ्ट के सामने सीढ़ी थी. And I was walking in that corridor and I was talking to my mother, and my back was facing the lift, towards the lift, whatever. Anyway, so I heard the lift ki lift ruki, and then jab lift ruki, so automatically I just turned back instinctually, and then I saw the lift opening, and I swear on God, I saw this. I don't even want to swear on God, because obviously I saw it with my eyes. I saw this, oh my God, मेरे को बहुत डर लग रहा है बताते हुए भी, but I saw this pair of feet, पैर, बस पैर का वो part, just 2 pair, and it was very transparent. It was not like a पैर but बहुत transparent था. You could just see दूसरी side क्या है, transparent pair walking, coming out of the lift, then going down the stairs, and oh my goodness, I was just too stunned to even talk to my mother, and I was like, what the fuck did I saw? And usually, so experiences have happened with me in the past, and what usually typically we do is we gaslight ourselves. We just say कि नहीं था, ऐसा कुछ नहीं देखा, आँखों का धोखा था, लाइट थी ऐसे, ये था, कुछ हो गया था आँखों में, ऐसा नहीं देखा, ऐसा नहीं देखा. And this is what I told myself, although at the back of my head I knew what I saw, but then also I was like कि ठीक है कुछ होगा, but चलो ठीक है, बाहर है, मतलब घर के बाहर है, पर ज़्यादा देर तक घर के बाहर नहीं था. So and I came back and I did not talk about this with anybody. I did tell my mother. उसी टाइम पे I told my mother, fuck, this is what I saw. Anyway, I came back, did not tell any of my roommates. Now let me give my roommates a name also. So it was Joita, Kansha, Himali, and me, Shruti. So we all were living together. Anyway, I came back, did not tell a soul, because at that time we did not have such a bond where I could share something like, oh, I can see ghosts like you don't share stuff like that. And I did not know where their belief lied. How will they'll think that I'm a crackhead, और मेरे को निकाल देंगे घर से, फिर मेरे को अकेले रहना पड़ेगा. All of that things were going on in my head, so I did not tell anybody. And then I think things did not happen for a very long time. Like let's just say कि एक हफ्ते तक कुछ नहीं हुआ, and then another one day I just came back. We came back together from office, opened the apartment door, and I just said hi house or welcome house. I just said it, just. And I think that just triggered something within the house, because things just went, things started happening after that. उसके बाद से things were like, what the fuck is this place? Anyway, so I think the same day we were in so Joyita and I shared a room. Although there were 3 rooms, but एक room को we had made like a makeup get ready. So क्या कहते हैं vanity, what is it called, like I don't have forgotten the name. Anyway, so one room we had made that room जहाँ पे हमारे कपड़े थे, dresser था, everything. One room Himali and Akansha shared. Another room Joyita and I, we both of us shared, and it was a big room, and we were all 4 of us were after dinner just hanging out there talking. And Akansha was sitting facing the door. तो यहाँ दरवाज़ा है, Akansha is sitting here, and this is like the hall की lights off है, room का light on है. And we were all just talking, and then Akansha just looked here and she started yelling, oh कोई है. This is what she started yelling. And I just I was losing my shit. I was like, कौन है, कोई घुस गया क्या? And I was like, मैंने बोला बिल्ली, वो कह रही है कि कोई काला सा है. And I'm like, बिल्ली होगी, कुत्ता होगा, बिल्ली घुस गई क्या? That's my first. I did not even think about paranormal कुछ उस time पे. And then she's like कि कोई है ऐसे काला सा है, आदमी सा कोई दिख रहा है. I'm like, fuck. And we were like, what the fuck? And all 4 of us came together, went out, switched on the lights. Of course there was nobody, but my goodness, she was like कि नहीं देखा था, ऐसा काला सा था, कोई आदमी था, कोई था से देख रहा था, कुछ था, कोई black सा कुछ apparition she saw apparently. And bro, that was just the beginning of what is to come. And that's what she said. उसके बाद Joyita did not believe in all, does not, now she does, okay, but at that time she did not believe in bhoot, bhagwan, kuch she did not believe. So she's like rationalizing कि कोई बात नहीं, you are tired, lol, come on Joyita. So she's like, you are tired or something, she said. And then we were like, but then still we started sleeping together from that day, okay. And then I was like, and then I told them, guys, even I had just felt this energy outside the apartment, not inside, but I think maybe that thing has entered. Now, I was not making things up. Anyway, cut it. Okay, I said that. Anyway, now, so where was I? Yeah, and then all of us started like sleeping together in the same room, all 4 of us, because it was a big room anyway, and then we could just sleep together. We were sleeping together because all of us were somewhere freaked out, okay, except Joyita, I don't know about her. उसके बाद क्या हुआ, फिर उसके बाद से things like very weird things would happen. Like one fine day, Joyita just woke up. Joyita woke up and Akansha woke up, okay, and both of them saw कि Joyita का जो face wash है, which was like full, it was a tube, it was full, it was just squeezed out, and उसका सारा content, it was nowhere, but it was like empty, and like it just appeared as somebody had just squeezed everything out. वहाँ पे Akansha का toothpaste, same situation with the toothpaste, her toothpaste like squeezed out. And then we are like, who the fuck? And then we would just kid around कि why is this ghost interested in a toothpaste and face wash and at the same time. But obviously we were not doubting each other, because all 4 of us living together, in the same room, so we were not even doubting each other. And another other things that would happen was we could not find things. So things like very small things, like I know that I have kept this thing here, मुझे पता है कि मैंने अभी अपना कुछ यहाँ पे रखा है और वहाँ नहीं है, and I know that this is a house of like 4 girls, but we all had like respected spaces and we all did not touch around एक दूसरे का चीज़. और usually हम जहाँ पे designated spot है वहीं पे चीज़ें रखते थे, but things would just, we would just lose things, things would just vanish, and then suddenly they would appear. And then, you know, I was the gyani one in this whole group because of my prior experience. So I would just tell them, guys, this is it's the thing, this is what it's doing, it's playing with us, it's like being naughty, it's being mischievous, it's a poltergeist. I would tell kids, it's a poltergeist to these girls, and they would like haha laugh. But you know, Himali and Akansha would also like believe कि हाँ यार ऐसा तो कुछ हो रहा है. Joita was like neutral, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है ऐसा type. She was not careless about it, but she was like neutral. But then things also started happening with Joita. So very strangely, she used to wear a ring, और वो ring बहुत tight था, वो निकलता नहीं था उसकी उंगली से, until like she used to physically like take it out of her hand. But one day she just woke up and then she's getting ready and then she's like, there's no ring on her finger, and she's like, ऐसा कैसे इस रात तक था, मैंने इसको निकाला नहीं तो ये निकला कैसे. एंड देन शी लुक्ड अराउंड, तो उसको लगा कि रात में ही अगर गुमा है तो बेड पे कहीं होगा. शी लुक्ड बेड पे हर जगह, तकिया का इधर उधर. शी लुक्ड इन द वॉशरूम, शी लुक्ड एवरीवेयर. शी टोल्ड मी, आई स्टार्टेड लुकिंग एवरीवेयर एंड देन आई वाज लाइक कुड नॉट फाइंड इट. एंड देन सडनली शी इज़ लाइक, यही तो होना चाहिए मेरे सामने. एंड देन शी जस्ट अपना पिलो फिर से हटाती है, बोला कि मैंने तो यहाँ देखा है, वो पिलो के नीचे था. 2 मिनट पहले उसने पूरे बेड पे देखा था, पिलो पे देखा था, हर जगह देखा था, पिलो के नीचे देखा था. जब मैं आई तो उसने पिलो हटाया, पिलो के नीचे था वो. एंड देन दैट इज़ व्हेन शी स्टार्टेड बिलीविंग इन द शिट दैट समथिंग इज़ फकिंग रॉन्ग विद दिस प्लेस, समथिंग इज़ लाइक अमिस हियर. एंड देन आवर लैंडलॉर्ड, नाउ वी कुड नॉट इवन आस्क द लैंडलॉर्ड कि यहाँ इसका हिस्ट्री क्या है, इस प्लेस का पास्ट क्या है, हु वॉज हियर बिफोर अस, बिकॉज ही वॉज लाइक अ वेरी खड़ूस टाइप आदमी, ओनली केयर्ड अबाउट कि तुम रेंट दे दो टाइम से, ये वो दे दो. And we could not even ask him. We did not know the neighbors, and we did not want to appear foolish, scared, you know, young girls. He was asking around, यहाँ पे पहले कौन था, कोई गुजरा है क्या? Of course not. And then our landlord also very weirdly every second day he would tell us कि why do you guys run around in the house at night? And we are like कि भाई हम पूरे दिन काम करके आते हैं घर पे, हम थके हुए हैं. Why would we run around? We are not kids, no? We would be running around. And we would be like, हम नहीं दौड़ते हैं, आप किसको सुन रहे हो. He would say that you guys run around, my wife is not able to sleep, I am not able to sleep, ये सब आप क्या कर रहे हो, ये क्या कर रहे हो. Very weird. Another weird thing that would happen was one of our colleagues, our friend, let's call him K. So he used to also visit us sometimes for dinner and casually also. And he used to stay like 11-12 बजे तक. And he would hear, I'm so fucking scared right now. I need to fucking pause. So if you really want to know what Kay used to see and hear in our apartment, stay tuned for part 2, because this is going to be a hell long story time. This is going to be really, really, really long, and it needs time and patience to be heard. Yes, so stay tuned for part 2, and like, subscribe, follow, all the typical jazz. Okay, bye.